name is Helena. This is another video to show you how to use your rolling pin. Now, whoever has seen handmade sfoglia being made will see that there's this very famous swimming motion that is being carried out. So effectively what we do, we roll the pin in our hands. So we're not actually pushing it, we're pushing our hands but not the actual pin. So I'll show you how this works. I'm going to put the pin here. And what you do, you keep the balls of your hands actually on the board itself, then you bring them together and do a swimming motion. And if you imagine that you've got claws, like sort of tight claws, and you just continue to carry out this motion. Then I take the pin and I keep the balls of my hands on the board. I wrap my fingers around the pin and I literally glide the pin in my hands. I'm not pushing the pin at all. So I'm not doing this motion, okay? That's not what I'm doing. What I'm doing, I'm literally pushing with my hands and the pin is gliding in my hands.